Jaguar sales are down 97.5% in Europe. No, that's not a typo. But before you assume the brand is crashing and burning, there's more to the story. Jaguar is hitting pause, not panic. According to newly released sales data, Jaguar's numbers in Europe are absolutely tanking. April sales? Down 97.5% year over year. May? Still down over 93%. And for 2025 so far, Jaguar's overall sales have dropped nearly 78%. Those numbers look brutal until you realize they were meant to drop. At the end of 2024, Jaguar made a bold move. It stopped producing cars. The idea? Clear the slate and transition into a fully electric luxury brand. Some factories stopped production altogether, and inventory at dealerships dried up. So yes, the sales collapse was real, but it was also planned. Here's the gamble. Jaguar's basically taken itself off the market to focus on a dramatic reboot. That means no new models, barely any inventory, and no income from vehicle sales for months. But when Jaguar returns, it's coming back as an EV-only premium brand with a higher price point and a whole new identity. Strangely, yes, at least in the PR department. Jaguar reports, website traffic up 110% in late 2024, a 23% jump in brand awareness, and a 20% increase in people saying Jaguar is worth paying more for. Some of that may be the buzz around their rebrand, but buzz alone doesn't sell cars. The real test comes when those new EVs actually hit the market. Jaguar's re-entry is expected to bring an entirely new lineup, likely with bold styling, premium price tags, and zero tailpipes. But in a market now dominated by Tesla, Porsche, and even Lucid, will people actually buy them? It's a high-stakes bet. Either Jaguar pulls off a bold reinvention, or they vanish for good.